Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is iQOO Z9s 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to customize smart sidebar in your phone iQOO Z9s 5G. First of all, understand that what is smart sidebar. If you swipe near the right side edge around volume buttons, you will have smart sidebar appearing. These are all the shortcuts for accessing to the particular apps that are listed here. Okay, suppose if you would like to customize this smart sidebar, yes, you can do it. What you got to do is just click on this arrow button and you will have the edit button now. Click on this edit symbol and now you can add some particular apps to the list or remove from the available list. Okay, so to add, what you got to do is from here just to click on plus. Here I clicked on this drive and it is now on the smart sidebar here. Okay, if you would like to add GPay, yes, I clicked GPay plus symbol and it is added, and also I added files. Okay, so in this way you can easily add. Suppose if you would like to remove some of the shortcuts from the smart sidebar, yes, you can just click on that minus symbol available in the smart sidebar apps. Okay, so here for example, here Netflix shortcuts is available, and if you would like to remove it, just click on this minus symbol and it will be removed from the list and all others will be remaining on the list. Okay, I also remove Facebook. Okay, just click on it. Okay, finally click on done button. Okay, so this is the final list as of now. So in this way you can easily customize smart sidebar as per your convenient and your desire. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.